Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is going to be a little series of videos on the Insider Preview, the state of the Insider Preview program, the Insider Preview that we had to build 15,002 this week, a few things. I've got some observations, and I'll post them in different categories. My first one will be to answer first one question that multiple people asked. One person yesterday in the live show, but also I got some private messages of people saying, "Hey, why does it say that?" And it's concerning the fact that when you're in your update in the latest build, and that has been going on, I believe, for a while. People are wondering why it says some settings are managed by your organization. So you are running an Insider Preview, which basically is controlled by Microsoft. So when they say some settings are managed by your organization, this means that some of the settings in here are controlled by Microsoft, and basically that means that there are some things that you won't be able to change, or there are settings that if you slide the slider to on or off, you see that it comes back to its original position because they have decided to be so, and that's normal because as they're sending out these insider builds, they want to send them out in the way that they wish are being sent out. And so that's one question. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is maybe a little ranting that I have. Yesterday in the live show was saying, well, hey, it's cool they added this new, in the advanced options, there's this new 35 days to, delay updates and stuff like that. And wow, this is so cool, until I learned today that this is going to be only for Pro, Education, and Enterprise versions. That means home users, if you have Windows 10 Home, that switch won't be there. And that switch here, include driver updates when I update Windows, won't be there either on Home. And now I need to rant a bit about this because I do agree that security updates needs to be done. That there's no doubt about it. I have, if there's a 0-day flaw in the issue of security update, there's no question that you have to install it, and I am totally in a sense with Microsoft in saying, yeah, these are going to install and that's it, because these are security and that's very important. But yet, one of the things that's going to happen is that we'll have cumulative updates that are bug fixes or features that are changed. I'm sorry, but those that are not something that you really need, I think there should be a possibility to delay. And there should be a possibility to delay more than 35 days, I think. There should be something more there. But even for the 35 days, the home user doesn't have that. And I'm not totally, in that. I really think that is a problem, and that's a big problem. Another thing here is the include driver updates. That switch should be on for every version of Windows also. I mean, one of the major issues that I've seen over the Windows 10 period of time that it exists is some of you telling me, hey, I got a driver update, breaks my display driver, breaks my webcam, breaks something. Yet, if you uninstall it, go back to the last version, it wants to reinstall it again. And I think that is also something that needs to be included in the home version. So there's a little bit of ranting that I have here about that. And also the fact that one of the things that yesterday happened, and I've seen that several times in the past, is that Microsoft pushes a cumulative update that has both, security fixes. Yesterday we had security fixes, but also it has bug fixes. That's another thing that I wish would separate, because I think yesterday we should have had two updates. We should have a package called, I don't know, cumulative security updates for Windows 10, and we should have had a second package called cumulative update for Windows 10, and the two would be separated by the word security. So that means one would be only the security stuff, the other one would be the bug fixes and the things that are better. And I think Microsoft needs to try to do something like that also. Because what's interesting in here is, in the case of a cumulative update yesterday, say that you're on Pro or Enterprise and you have that 35-day switch on. Microsoft did say that, well, you will have to install the security updates. That is not delayed by 35 days. Yeah, but yesterday we had a mix. Cumulative updates had security and bug fixes. So what are you going to do? You're going to install everything because it's all in a package and it includes security updates? That's very weird, and that's not well explained. So there are a few things that I just, want to rant here about. And please, Microsoft, I think this needs to be in the home version also. I'm okay with the fact that you want to push security updates because that's important. But for the rest of the updates, including the drivers, leave that at the user end, that they wish to install it or not. I think that should be the case. I think that's important to understand. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully you enjoy our videos and welcome back to our channel.